Hello everyone, we are team user incentivized Oracle. So currently blockchain faces a really big problem, the lack of access to the real world data. So we need a way where we can provide real world data on chain, and in doing so we want to incentivize the users so that they can add more and more data, and we should also maintain the credibility and the verifiability of the data. So to solve this problem, I propose a solution called UIO, where users earn commission on the data which they provide. The data verification is in such a way where the correct data providers are financially incentivized, and it is based on smart contracts. So trust is built by design. So how does it work? So we have data providers. So they do make a promise that I would be the one who would provide you the data on this event. In exchange of that, so that to add a credibility to that, they stake some amount on it. So that if they provide the wrong data, that stake amount will be lost by them, and they earn commissions whosoever uses that data there. So there then comes the DApps. They do have the user, so they can use the Oracle data and transparently charge their users some fee to bring that data in a trusted way. Some examples could be a verified news app where every news is pre-verified and everything. Fantasy sports prediction markets. Then comes the disputers. Disputers are just like users, but they keep a keen eye on every data that is being added to the Oracle. So if they find any data which is wrong, they can dispute it and they can earn minimum return of 40%. So this brings a high credibility. Let's take a look at some example. So let's say I want to provide the data whether Dhoni would play for the IPL 24 or not. Okay, so I would go there, I would put the details there. Assertion deadline is the time by which I would for sure provide the data. After this time, anyone can come and provide the data, and I would lose my stake. So you just do a confirm, and it would be added. Similar to that, we do have multiple data providers. So to monetize that, we can create some contest. Contest is something which would have a fixed entry fee and a limited number of spots, so that every user who would come on that date contest would stake some money, and basically then depending upon the data as resolved, we will choose the winners and the losers. Basically it is some kind of a prediction app which I have built just to show a demo. Then you can go to basically you can create some contest, then you can go to contests and basically add your own commission rate also there. So if I go to some data, so this is an example of a data which has been resolved. So as you can see, like everywhere the commission is clearly mentioned, so it's pretty transparent and everything. Let's quickly create a contest where the entry fee would be 20 way and 2 users can participate upon it. Let's wait for this transaction to go through quickly. Yeah, so like just so the old contest would come, and here you can add your own fee also. Yeah, that's done. Now basically you can share your this platform, and users can play this game kind of a thing, and they would be charged the data provider commission and your commission. Yeah, that was just one example of how we can use the a user incentivized Oracle. Thank you. Yeah.